Welcome back to Amazon Service of the Week series. This week, we're exploring AWS Fargate. If you've ever wanted to run containers without the hassle of managing servers, Fargate is the service for you. In this episode, we'll explain how AWS Fargate simplifies container management and how it compares with Amazon ECS, which we covered last week. If you haven't watched last week's episode, go check out the link in the right corner. Now let's dive in. The primary feature of Amazon Fargate is serverless container management. Fargate allows you to run containers without provisioning or managing any servers or clusters. AWS handles the infrastructure, so you can focus entirely on building and deploying your containerized applications. Next feature is automatic scaling. Fargate automatically scales your container workloads based on demand. Whether your app is getting a few requests or millions, Fargate ensures your containers scale seamlessly, helping you manage unpredictable workloads. Third feature is cost efficiency. Pay for what you use. With Fargate, you only pay for the exact resources your containers use. There's no need to over-provision for future traffic, which helps you manage costs efficiently. Let's see how it compares with Amazon ECS. There are two ways to run ECS, either with Fargate or with EC2 instances. With ECS on EC2, you manage the server capacity like instance type, size, and handle scaling and maintenance. This option gives you more flexibility and control over the infrastructure, and it may be more cost-effective for long-running predictable workloads since you can reserve instances. However, with Fargate, it's more about simplicity where AWS takes care of everything for you, so you never have to manage the underlying infrastructure. So you can just focus on running containers and leave server management to AWS. Fargate is ideal when you have variable workloads because it scales automatically and charges you only for what you use. Some use cases of Fargate are microservices, architecture. Fargate is perfect for deploying microservices applications where each service can run as its own container. For example, an e-commerce platform can run microservices for payment processing, inventory management, and user authentication, with Fargate automatically scaling each service. Another use case is serverless APIs. Fargate also excels when building serverless APIs. Paired with API Gateway, Fargate handles back-end processing for REST APIs, so you don't need to worry about scaling or managing the infrastructure behind your APIs. With AWS Fargate, managing containers is easier than ever. Whether you're running microservices or building serverless APIs, Fargate lets you focus on your application while AWS handles the infrastructure. To learn more, check out the AWS Fargate documentation linked below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to catch the next episode of Amazon Service of the Week. See you next time.